Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I just want to do a quick unboxing and you can guess what I've got basically from the title. So everyone is ordering these, so let's see if they're actually as good as people say or if they are underrated or overrated. So let's get it out. Now, first thing I will say, basically these things are cheap, so I was skeptical at the beginning. So I'm going to be very intrigued to see if my mind's been changed. Now, there's a few people I really do trust on YouTube, Richie at Driftomaniacs and Tom Lee RC. I really trust those guys when it comes to their opinion on models. They're quite unbiased when it comes to doing reviews, so, and they really rate these. So but I'm really fussy. I don't really like much toy grade or even toy / hobby grade RC models. Wltoys make some nice ones, but not too keen on WPL and stuff like that. In my opinion, they're just too toy-like. And by the time you've thrown loads of money at them, you might as well have just bought a better crawler in the first place. But this, I was really intrigued to actually check out because, like I say, for the price, I thought, why not go for it? And I've got the TRX4 Sport anyway, but I thought this might be a good one for my little girl. So give you a quick look around the box, and like I say, this is the MN86K, which is the G-Wagon 500. So it looks really cool. I've gone for the black version because basically the KS comes with some extra parts that the K doesn't have, so it leaves holes in the body shell. Well, those holes you're not going to notice because the body shell will be black. Hopefully, anyway, hopefully they've sent me the right one. So yeah, quick walk around the box. I don't want to look at that too much. Yellow looks quite cool, but yeah, I like the black. So let's actually get it out of the box. Like I say, this is not a full review just yet. I just want to do an unboxing, show you guys what it is and what I think of it. Hopefully, wow, there's a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so we've got a bag of bits. Hopefully you can see all this in the camera. Yep, you're all right. So if I push that to one side, got a massive bag of bits. To be fair, everything's like, it feels like a Tamiya. I'll inspect it a bit closer in a minute, but the plastic wise, quality of plastic kind of feels a bit like Tamiya, which is it's not like Traxxas quality, but good enough. I've built a few Tamiya kits, as some of you will know, and this kind of feels like that, but hell of a lot cheaper. Okay, let's have a quick look at the wheels. Let's get the wheels out. Some people are saying these are 1.9 inch rims, so I'm going to get a 1.9 inch rim. Okay, this is a 1.9 inch rim, and it's the same size, so they are 1.9 inch rims. Those tyres are nice and squishy, but there's no foam in there. Really grippy. I don't think I'm going to put the foam in there, to be honest. We will see. We will check out the weight. But yeah, quite nice, simple. Love the trades going around the rim there. I wonder if you can see that. Yeah, nice and squishy, but like I say, no foams in there. More bits. There's a lot of bits, so it'd be interesting to see what the manual's like. Nice frame there. Ow. Ah. Nearly panicked then. I thought we only had one frame. Yeah. Not too thick. That's quite thin, but not too bad. More parts for the body, I take it. We've got the manual. Let's quickly crack this manual open. What was that? Nothing important. Okay, let's crack this manual open. So far, just by looking at it, I'm quite impressed so far. So let's have a look at the manual. Now, Richie at Drifter Maniac said the manual's really good, but the screws are not great. Okay, well, that should be alright. Looks like a good enough manual to me. The screws are marked of what you need, so shouldn't be an issue. But sometimes screws do look quite similar.